Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we embark on fascinating journeys through the natural world, exploring the wonders of ecosystems, biodiversity, and environmental interconnections. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to delve into the intriguing world of witch's butter. Witch's butter, also known as Exidia glandulosa, is a type of fungus that grows on trees, particularly deciduous species like oak, beech, and birch. It's a gelatinous fungus that gets its name from its soft, jelly-like texture and the fact that it resembles butter. But don't let its appearance fool you. Witch's butter plays a vital role in the ecosystem, and its unique biology has much to teach us about the interconnectedness of nature. One of the most significant things about witch's butter is its ability to break down organic matter. As a decomposer, it helps to recycle nutrients back into the soil, making them available to other organisms. This process is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems, as it allows trees and other plants to absorb the nutrients they need to grow. In fact, research has shown that witch's butter can break down complex organic compounds like cellulose and lignin, which are difficult for many other organisms to degrade. The witch's butter isn't just important for its role in decomposition, it's also a food source for many animals. Insects like flies and beetles feed on the fungus, while larger animals like deer and birds eat the fruiting bodies of the fungus. This highlights the complex web of relationships that exists within ecosystems, where organisms are interconnected and interdependent. From a scientific perspective, witch's butter is classified as a member of the family Exidiaceae, which includes other gelatinous fungi. It's found in temperate regions around the world, typically growing on trees in moist, humid environments. Researchers have studied the biology of witch's butter, including its life cycle and habitat requirements. For example, studies have shown that witch's butter can survive in a dormant state for extended periods, only to revive when conditions become favorable again. One of the most fascinating things about witch's butter is its unique life cycle. The fungus grows on trees as a network of fine, white threads called hyphae. As it matures, it produces fruiting bodies that resemble small, gelatinous blobs. These fruiting bodies are actually filled with spores, which are dispersed into the air when they're mature. This process allows witch's butter to spread to new locations and colonize new trees. In terms of research, scientists have made some remarkable discoveries about witch's butter in recent years. For example, studies have shown that the fungus has antibacterial properties, which allow it to compete with other microorganisms for resources. Researchers have also discovered that witch's butter can form symbiotic relationships with certain species of bacteria, which help to break down organic matter and make nutrients available to the fungus. Unfortunately, witch's butter is facing environmental challenges, such as habitat destruction and climate change, which threaten its survival and the balance of the ecosystem. As trees are cut down or degraded, the fungus loses its habitat and its ability to play its role in the ecosystem. Climate change also affects the distribution and abundance of witch's butter, as changing temperature and precipitation patterns alter the conditions that the fungus needs to thrive. As we examine the ecological relationships of witch's butter, we find that it interacts with a wide range of species, from bacteria and insects to larger animals like deer and birds. Its unique appearance and texture make it an attractive food source for some creatures, while its ability to break down organic matter helps to support the growth of other organisms. For example, research has shown that witch's butter can form relationships with mycorrhizal fungi, which help to facilitate nutrient exchange between trees and other organisms. In conclusion, witch's butter is a remarkable organism that reminds us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Its unique biology and behaviors have much to teach us about the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.